So we're showing movies with knowledge of the future. And here we got a huge movie. This is 1980. George Lucas, The Empire Strikes Back, Star Wars, Episode 5. This is a gigantic movie. It's unbelievable. Okay, so this movie shows many things that would not enter the mainstream, enter the world scene, the general consensus for decades, many decades. And I believe that it shows things that go even beyond the time of this recording, the year 2020. And in this image, you can see evidence of future technology from the year 1980. That at the time of this recording in 2020, this is the past. These are past technological developments. So Luke Skywalker, he's got in his X-Wing and he's left the planet Hoth. He's headed for Dagobah, where he's going to meet Yoda. Okay, so in the cockpit of Luke Skywalker's X-Wing, it cuts to the side, and you can see here there are several interesting things. Going from the left, moving to the right, on the immediate left, there appears to be, it's like a long rectangular shape. It looks like a Minidisc door. Also within this shape, there's a smaller black rectangle. This could be a USB port. Alright, to the right of that, something more familiar, it appears to be a cassette deck. Below that is a rectangular shape. I have no idea what this is. And moving to the right of this, in the center of this image, it looks like the outline of an Apple iPhone. And you can see there's a home button here. Above this shape, it looks like rubber grommets and the type of shock support for a hard drive. And then moving to the right of this is a shape they show later on in the movie. It's a shape they show in another part of this movie. This, I believe, is some type of device from the future. I believe it will be developed between 2020 and maybe 2030. And I think this is some type of smartphone replacement. It looks like these are some kind of interface devices, personal entertainment devices. Okay, so Minidisc was released in 1992. Apple released the first iPhone in 2007. So 12 years and 27 years after the release of Empire Strikes Back. There's several other ports here, possibly future developments of a future from the time of this recording, 2020. Could be optical, some kind of sonic, holographic, who knows.